Hello, this is my virtual locker. I've put a couple items that describe me and describe the things I enjoy and the things that I like. Over here, I put a surfboard because I like going to the beach and I surf. And I just really like the beach. It's a nice place to go. And over here, I put a basketball. I put a basketball because I'm good at basketball and I can dunk and I'm tall. So basketball is sometimes easy for me. And I just enjoy the sport. Over here, I put my books.
Group shout from Summit Hotel and Resort. Trademark sign.
Ignore that. And over here, I have my books. The books are for just to let you know that I can't really read something if I'm not interested in it. I only like certain books that I'm truly interested in. So I have a hard time reading books that are not interesting. And over here I put my phone, because everyone has a phone, and everyone brings it to school and stuff. And over here, here's my cell-phone Florida. I cropped everyone out so I can fit it. And here's shoes. I really like shoes. It's just something I enjoy looking at. It's an interesting topic for me because of all the colorways and stuff like that. And here's video games. Every boy likes video games. And over here, I put car brands because I just really enjoy cars. There's something I enjoy. I like car meets, stuff like that. I'm not old enough to go to a car meet, but one day I'll get there. And yeah, I really like these brands. For example, a Toyota Supra, Lamborghini Huracan, a Lamborghini Centenario. Those are just a bunch of cars that I like. I don't like a Hyundai. No one even knows that name, but I like the rest. And thank you. That is my virtual locker.